Well, YouTube, I think I watched every toolbox video y'all have loaded up on here. I figured I'd add one of mine. This is my tool cart. I think I went a little overboard on it, but here she is. It's US General 6-drawer full bank. I added some magnets to the top of it. Put Icon. They are 8 to 19 ratcheting wrenches, ratcheting box end wrenches up there, as well as a pair of channel locks, oil filter pliers, brake calipers, hangers, a couple extra lights. Down in the main compartment, we start on the left side, we have snap-on screwdrivers, as well as snap-on hose pliers, a short one and a long one. Then we have a 24-inch snap-on pry bar and a 36-inch snap-on pry bar. I have Amazon light stuck there and an Amazon LED light stuck there. Magnet. Pretty much the whole top is metric. These are Matco half-inch drive 13 to 24 millimeter universals. Gearwrench half-inch drive 10 to 27 millimeter. Gray pneumatic 10 to 19 millimeter universals. These are 12-point Matco universals for like Ford and Freightliner universal joint straps. We have another set of Gearwrench 8 to, it says 20 millimeter on the peg, but it's actually 21 millimeter. These are all snap-on metric hex. I think we go from 2.5 to 10 millimeter. We have 5 and 6 millimeter universals, as well as ball heads and stubbies on there. Gearwrench 1/4-inch drive 4 to 15 millimeter. Milwaukee 3/8 stubby impact M12, and then the Milwaukee M18 mid torque 600 foot-pound half-inch drive. Gearwrench ratchets, varying sizes, varying lengths. These are the 1/4 to 3/8. The half-inch are over here with the 24-inch flex head standard, and then this is an Astro compact head half-inch. Cheapy Amazon Cassioman, or however you pronounce it, extensions, as well as snap-on wobble drive or wobble plus, whatever they call them, 1/4-inch, as well as 3/8. Have the rest of them down in another drawer. This rack is primarily, we have just a universal there, and then we go, I don't know, I guess that's a 3 or 4 millimeter all the way up to a 19 millimeter hex. I just got these. These are for more of the European stuff. I have a background in German cars, so I work on them every once in a while, but these are actually brand new. E-Torques, spark plug sockets, standard Torques, more just standard hex. These are like for doing American car brake jobs. Triple squares, 4 millimeter to 17 millimeter, then triple squares 4 millimeter to 19 millimeter long. They're all VIM. Couple oil filter sockets, Matco scrapers, angled scrapers, snap-on breaker bar, Craftsman 12.3H drive metrics, Gearwrench long Torques. I believe they're T10, 15, and 20, or 15, 20, and 25. Can't remember. Going down to the first drawer, primarily Gearwrench open and box set from 8 to 24 millimeter, as well as Gearwrench 8 to 25 millimeter box end and ratcheting box. Nico lug nut sockets, snap-on wobble plus drive extensions in 3/8 as well as 1/4 inch and varying lengths. These are Matco 1/2 inch drive female, 3/8 drive male. So there's a 12 inch and then a 24 inch there. Matco stubbies. These go from 10 millimeter up to 21 millimeter. Some lady fingers, tape measure, spark plug gapper, Streamlight Strion dual switch, got the end as well as that. I believe this is the HL as well, the high output. Next drawer down, I'm debating about eliminating. This is all SAE with the exception of some of the metric line wrenches, but it's all Gearwrench 3/8 to 1.25 inch, as well as Gearwrench hex. These are gray pneumatic swivels, 5/16 to 3/4. Then we have Gearwrench 1/4 inch drive, deep and shallow impact, 3/8 drive, deep and shallow impact, 1/2 inch drive, deep and shallow impact. Deep and the 1/2 inch drive goes from 3/8 up to 1.5 inch. Debating about moving them to another box because I really don't need them in this one. Next drawer down, Gearwrench pick set, crescent wrenches, 15 inch, 12 inch, there's a pair of 10 inchers here, channel lock filter pliers, snap-on, I think they're called stork grip pliers or whatever. I absolutely love these. I have multiple sets of these in multiple boxes. Just bought the Gearwrench Pitbull series pliers. They're like 10 down to 8 inch. Then the linemen's, the dikes, needle noses, slip joints, different size slip joints. Irwin vice grips, CV boot clamp pliers, the 10 inch crescents I was talking about, snap-on or blue point hose pinch offs. These are Gearwrench double joint needle noses as well as dikes, snap-on needle noses, snap-on wire cutters and crimpers, Nip-X cutters, and as well as Nip-X angled needle noses, dikes, and pliers. And then another pair of smaller blue point pinch offs. Next drawer down, screw extractors, punches, brass punches, small screwdrivers, a power probe, IR 1/2 inch impact, air powered, Milwaukee M12 drill, some drill bits, some step bits, torque sticks, razor knife, old Craftsman multimeter, which I've had for years and I use for freaking everything. Never needed more out of it. A couple of different test leads, as well as test light, trailer, tester, electric tape. What's that? Is it a blue point or Nip-X? Wire cutter, stripper, crimper. Next drawer down, hammers, Irwin small plier set, trim tools, OEM tool, O-ring removers, snap-on Torx drivers, snap-on scrapers, Gearwrench panel popper, a long snap-on screwdriver, Matco pick set, Irwin screw extractors, blowgun, axle press, dead blow. And then the final drawer, gloves, impact driver set, compression tester, spare O-rings, electrical connectors, coolant pressure tester, Lots of zip ties, various color zip ties. I like to use them for doing hydraulic stuff. Some charging stuff. A tire pressure gauge, and then as well as a couple spare batteries. And I think below this is a sensor set from KD Tools. A couple gloves and some microfibers. But that's my service cart. It's a little bit overkill for everything I do here, but it rolls out into the driveway nice. Lets me do stuff out in the driveway when I have stuff here in the garage. My primary box is over there, obviously. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching.